Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, yes you, before we even start, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we give them free daily signals. And if you find our daily signals, if you've been there for some time, if you find our daily signals, they are very, very good. You can support us by joining our Patreon. The link is down in the description of that video. By the way, it's not expensive. It's only $10 per month, but it's up to you guys. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today that the market or the daily candle, how it closed here, it closed red here, and it's bringing for us the take profit of that short as we enter yesterday. By the way, people, they are in my Telegram and my Discord. We enter 2 shorts, one yesterday and one before yesterday. We make nice profit today. Then now the market, it tried to show up here as if it's going to reverse. Another thing, very, very, very important, guys. We got here a very clear divergence here in the daily. In that place here, I'm going to show it to you. And I showed you yesterday the market tried to give us here like a double top, but the neckline is still far away from it. And that inside bar also we're talking about, that one here, even that one, the market hasn't break it either up or either down. So the market is showing to us here as if it's going to fall down, but till now there is nothing confirmed that to us. So till now us we're still waiting, and we're waiting the signal where it's going to come here in the daily. Either we're breaking above here or down here, and also we're still waiting where is the market is going to go. That the divergence, guys, we're talking about here in the daily, as you see it here and here. If you came to that one here and those ones here, we got a very clear divergence. I know over here it's not clear, but in my broker where me I trade every day, it's very, very, very clear divergence here in the daily. But till now there is nothing. Also we're still waiting what the market is going to do in the coming days. So till now there is nothing here. We need to wait in the break of that inside bar here, that one here, because me I'm focused about that one here. Either we're going to break it up here or down here. That's it. That's the only thing you can do at this time. Just focus about that one here. I'm talking about long-term investors. For short-term investors, we are coming there. Everything is together, guys, here. Now let's go into see coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, here it is. We got a lot of news, but before we read in here, I got for you something very important, because today it came very important news. Is it that one here? As you see it, I'll show you a lot of articles in our Telegram and in our Discord, but here, look at it. The Fed minute release Wednesday from central bank's John meeting showed almost all members support resuming rate hike at the future meeting as inflation remain unacceptable higher. That what it came from the Fed. So the message is very, very clear. And let me say it with a very easy English, because I know some people over here the English is not the first language of them. Over here, the Fed members, all of them today, they vote to start raising interest rate again, because the inflation it show a not reasonable high, or inflation is still too high. That way them they want to increase more interest rate. And even in the articles I show you before in that walk and those ones, they tell us they are going to hike it till 5.7. I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to talk a lot about that article here. Now here the coming news for today. Coming news for today, guys, as you see it, is it here? That's what we got today. Today we got a very, 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 very busy day. At 12:15 we got ADP non-farm employment change. Then we got initial jobless claim PMI of services, and USA economic it's based on services. Then we got here ISM non-manufacturing is the same, but JOLT here. So all today is going to be based on unemployment, and that it will not affect that much the Bitcoin. Me personally, I'm still waiting to enter along, but everything's still looking great till now. And here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. Today, let me show you something very important here. As you see, all US market today, it's closed red because the Fed minute meeting, it show a very scarcity to the market. And even if you're looking down here at our friend, the VIX, today, it's showing a little bit of scarcity. If you remember yesterday, we used to be 13. Today, we are 14. That's when people, they are a little bit scared about that next interest rate hike. So picture is too clear here. You just need to connect in the dots, guys. And down here, even the US dollar today, it closed very high. Is it 103? If you remember, we used to be 102. That man, US dollar is going up. And that's what me had told you when the ISM of the manufacturing of USA, it came very bad. Some people, they said it's good for inflation. Then me, I said, yes, it's good for inflation, but bad for unemployment. And it's bad for US dollar because US dollar is going to get more higher. And that bad news here. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, we don't got nothing new. If you remember that the channel me I told you need to be focused about, either it's going to be broken up or down here. Till now it doesn't get broke either up or either down. So we need to wait in. For swing trading, you need to wait. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Yes, we'll have you enter here, but me I told you no for small signals now. Because even if you enter from here for swing trading, you need to catch a big move, not just from here to down here. That's very small. That's for scalping, yes, but for swing trading, no. For scalping, also we enter in it in that signal here. But here, for swing trading, just focus about that channel here. That one here is the most important one, guys, because market, it's working like that with structures. Now you are in sideways here. Either we're going to break here in the top and we're going to continue going upward, or we're going to break down. Then from here, we're going to fall down. Till now, as we're looking here, sideways here, as you see it. The market is very flat now, and it's too dangerous now to enter a swing trader. But the only thing I can tell you now, everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, today, he tried to break down here to enter where is the bears they controlling, but us in the chart till now it hasn't breaking for us. That channel us we still waiting, so us we are waiting the break to happen, and that one to enter here to where is the bears they controlling, because that one at the end of the day just an oscillator, and what me I told you before, oscillators us we just using them as filters. Us we are focusing about the chart. The chart is the king. So now here till now we haven't got a clear picture at the bulls or at the bears. Also we still in the middle here, so there is nothing new here. We need to wait more, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing as you see it. It used to be here at the overbought area level. Also we are in a very stronger level, but also now we still waiting that break here down to happen. If we breaking down here, yes, we're going to fall down till here, till that level here between 27k till 26k. But at this moment, it's not yet. You need to wait until the break happening here. Then you can enter short. And by the way, one another very important thing. Bitcoin, when it's going up, it go up by power. And when it's falling down, it's always falling down sideways like that. So guys, be focused about that one. Even if it's breaking down here, it will not fall down by power. It will fall down slowly and it will take some time here. So even if you enter short, you need to know that always use stop loss, guys. Everything is so clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. And if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, people they been with us, they killing it. Also, we enter a short from here in the double top here before. Then we enter another short because of that wedge here or the triangle here. Look till where it fall down. Now here, what me I'm waiting here. I'm waiting the market try to give me here. That one here, the cup and handle here. You see it or no? Let me zoom it a little bit to show it to you for pictures get more clear to you. Look here. What the market tried to give me here. You see it or no? And here, that a cup and handle, very clear cup and handle here. The neckline, which is here at that level here, it is getting broke here for me to enter long. No, I couldn't give you a signal here to enter long. Until now, we still waiting, guys. Another thing, very important, guys, here. Look here what we got. If you came here to the top of that one and down here to those ones, what you got here? A triangle. Even that one, you need to be focused about it. If it's getting broke down here, also we're going to enter another short, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator showing to us, also we are here at the oversold area. Should we enter long? No. Also we are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Should we enter long? No. Also we are going to enter always if the market came and breaking above here, that level here. If it's breaking here, yes, we're going to enter long. But for the short, if it's breaking down here, also we're going to enter short. That's it, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.